Hey guys, so today we are going to look at the last topic. We'll look at how to solve any numericals by using the lens maker formula. Before we start, there's a small shortcut I've written on the right side. Generally, you'll not need to use this, but on the off chance that you do get a sum like that, if they mention about what type of lens they're using, then you'll need to use the sign convention. We already know what sign convention is, right? On the right side, it's measured one way, on the left side, it's measured one way. So if they ever mention a convex lens, make sure you take R1 as positive, R2 negative, and for a concave, R1 negative, R2 positive. Just keep a note, it might not be needed because typically your questions will look like this. Okay, they did not mention a lens, they directly gave you the values of the R, so you need to use them as it is. Okay. Cool. So let's begin. As with any sum, we'll start with the given. Okay. We look at what is given to us. We need to find the focal length. It's saying find the focal length, meaning f is unknown. Okay. Whose refractive index is 2.5. So I know that n value is given to me, which is nothing but 2.5. Now n does not have any units. Okay, something I learned last year. And has radius of curvature 4 and 6 centimeters. So it's given you R1 and R2 values 4 and 6 centimeters. Since the lens type is not mentioned, we don't need to worry about the signage. We can use them as it is. So I'll just assume R1 is 4 and that R2 is 6 centimeters. Now all that is left to do is we use the formula, we substitute and we solve it step by step. Keep in mind these are fractions, so you need to solve them very carefully. Okay, so let's look at the firstly look at the formula. Lens maker's formula is 1 by f equals to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Right? Make sure you know the formula with the correct symbols and the correct fractions. One symbol wrong makes the whole answer wrong. Now we simply substitute all the values that we know. I don't know f, so I leave it as f equals to n minus 1. Now n value is 2.5, so 2.5 minus 1 into 1 by r1. So r1 is nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1 by r2, which is 6. 1 by 6. Okay, I did not change any symbols for the numbers here. If I give it to you in the sum as minus 6, then you will use minus 6 here. Then minus goes up and will become plus. Okay. So now I will say 1 by f equals to 2.5 minus 1 is nothing but 1.5. 1.5 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by using here. Alright, now I'll write 1 by f equals to, since we are working with fractions, I can convert 1.5 into a fraction. Okay, so what I will do, I'll write 1.5 as 3 by 2, because 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Okay. For this, I need to take LCM or do butterfly method, anyone is fine. Okay. So let's do butterfly since it's small numbers. At the bottom I will do 4 into 6. On the top I crisscross 1 into 6 minus 1 into 4. Okay. So 3 by 2 into 6 on the 6 minus 4 on the 4, 6 for the 24, right? It's nothing but 3 by 2 into 6 minus 4 is 2 divided by 24. Right. Now since these are both fractions, I can simplify. Okay, 2 ones are 2 ones are 3 ones are 3 8s are 24. So 1 by f is nothing but 1 by 8. I can reciprocal the fractions. F equals to 8 centimeters. Focal length is the unit of length. All of these are in centimeter. F is also going to be centimeters. Okay. That's it. As simple as that. And finally, you can write, therefore, focal length of lens is 8 centimeters. Alright, so that's it. Very simple sum, very easy to do. All you need to do, remember the correct symbols and the convention if needed. Okay, which you mostly will not. When I repeat, you might. Okay. Now, one more thing that we can notice is look at the answer. It's a positive number, right? So whenever you get a positive focal length, it means it's a converging lens. Okay. So whenever f is positive, it's a converging lens. If you get f as a negative answer, it means it's a diverging lens. So converging lens example is concave or convex lens, right? So this is most probably a convex type lens. And the once is negative, that will be a concave lens. Okay, that will be most probably a concave, not a necessary. Depending on how we build the lens, the answers can change. All right. Okay, so that's about it. One thing I can tell you though about over here is, if you notice, both my R values are positive. Right, R1 is 4, R2 is 6. I didn't get any combination of positive, negative or negative, positive. So that probably means that my R1 is from a convex lens and my R2 is a concave lens. It's a good possibility. And it's called a convex or concave lens. It's not really asked in the question, but something that you can understand from it, right? convex or concave lens, which is a converging lens. I'll just write here, just for a note. Positive f is converging. Negative f is diverging. Okay. Alright, so that's about it for today. Do practice some like this, and tomorrow we're going to have the chapter and test. The lesson is done. You've finished 4 chapters of your syllabus. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.